Linus Torvalds is the architect of our digital infrastructure. His twin creations, the Linux operating system and the version control system Git, are the core components of the modern world. The scale of his impact is massive. His open-source code runs the Android phone in your pocket, global stock exchanges, and the vast majority of the modern Microsoft cloud. If you were building a workstation for the individual who designed the backbone of the internet, you might expect a flashy, overclocked, water-cooled machine. But Torvalds demands a setup that is quiet, reliable, and entirely modest. Looking at his hardware choices explains his global software philosophy. The physical machine on his desk illustrates how he successfully manages the digital foundation of the world without succumbing to burnout. His first requirement is ECC memory. ECC stands for Error-Correcting Code, a specialized type of RAM that actively detects and fixes data corruption as it happens. Torvalds compiles the Linux kernel between thousands of merges daily. With standard RAM, a stray voltage fluctuation or cosmic ray flips a single 0 to a 1, creating a crash that mimics a software bug. ECC memory catches the error, corrects it, and allows the system to continue. This leads Torvalds to a conclusion. Many system crashes and unstable programs are actually caused by silent hardware failure. For the maintainer of a global infrastructure, trust in the hardware's baseline reliability is the only way to avoid spending weeks hunting for bugs that don't actually exist in the code. This need for reliability is why he refuses high-end liquid cooling. He prefers massive, standard air cooling fans because they are predictable, they don't leak, and they don't make gurgling sounds. His physical aversion to unpredictable cooling loops reflects his aversion to chaotic software workflows. For 20 years, he has managed the Linux kernel using a strictly predictable 9-week release schedule. It runs with the precision of a metronome. While much of the tech industry thrives on the chaos of moving fast and breaking things, Torvalds has engineered his system to eliminate surprises. Whether it is managing temperatures in a PC or contributions to a global project, boring, predictable systems are how he prevents operational burnout. His build features a 24-core Threadripper CPU paired with a modest Intel Arc GPU. Threadripper is a high-end line of processors from AMD, designed for intense tasks like code compilation. He needs that multi-core power solely to compile code rapidly. For the rest of his day, he admits he is mostly just reading and writing emails. His focus on maintenance informs his view on the AI bubble and vibe coding. Vibe coding is a method where developers use AI to generate large blocks of code from simple text prompts. Torvalds warns that while AI is useful for starting a project, unguided, machine-generated code will eventually become impossible for humans to maintain. The bottleneck of future technology isn't how fast we can generate new code, it is the human work required to keep it functional and secure. The assembled machine boots up Fedora Linux. It is a quiet, unassuming black box that hides its actual power. It stands in contrast to an industry currently defined by hype, disruption, and constant noise. Entire economies and global data centers rely on the software managed by this one man. He manages that responsibility through lazy pragmatism. He builds only what is necessary to solve the problem in front of him. The digital world survives because architects build systems that are reliably boring. Because they are stable, we never have to think about them.